Once in the bustling city of Baghdad, there lived a poor woodcutter named Ali Baba. One day, while wandering in the woods, he stumbled upon a secret cave entrance, sealed by the phrase, "Open Sesame." To his amazement, inside the cave lay the hidden treasures of 40 notorious thieves. Instead of greedily seizing the wealth, Ali Baba decided to take only what his family needed, keeping his discovery a secret. However, his greedy brother, Qasim, learned of the cave's location and greedily tried to take more than he could carry. Caught by the thieves, Qasim paid the price for his greed. Meanwhile, Ali Baba cleverly outsmarted the thieves, proving that wisdom and honesty triumph over greed. The moral of the story is that honesty and moderation lead to true wealth, while greed can lead to one's downfall. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more interesting videos.